What's up guys, we're back at the channel and today we are gonna do a home killer intense leg workout only using our body weight and a chair. So guys, we are gonna use extinction style training today, in which it's a really simple style. So guys, we are gonna do the same exercise again for a limited number of reps or your max reps and or a max time until you can't do it anymore. So the first exercise we are going to do in this training style is the pistol squat. So guys, we are going to keep one leg in the air, which is going to be my left leg, or you can do it the right one. Then we are going to go down and take support of the chair to get down. So guys, and just sit down, and if you are a complete beginner, you can always use the support of the chair to get up. But if you're an advanced or intermediate guy, use your legs explosive lifts. So guys, I am going to do 5 reps to show you, and one's already done. So guys, here we go. Second rep on. One done. Now, second one guys, is really tough guys, because it ain't meant to be easy. If it's easy, then everybody can do it. But this is to go on higher level than everybody else. So guys, I've shown you twice. Now I'm going to show you with the leg, the right leg up. So guys, the right leg's going to be up. Then you're going to go down. You're going to use explosiveness to get up. You're going to go down. Explosiveness to get up. So we are going to do this for 10 reps or 10 sets. So guys, then the next exercise will be squat to jumping jack. So guys, we are going to do a squat, then jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. So guys, this is going to be 15 reps and a 10-second rest in between. I just curated the average thing for all the guys out here. It doesn't matter what level you're on, but you can do this. Okay guys, I'm going to show you once more. Squat, jumping jack. Squat, jumping jack. Guys, be sure that it's not like this. Squat. You should sync your hands and your legs. Okay guys, the next exercise will be the Bulgarian squats. So guys, it's going to be 10 reps per leg and a 15-second rest. And by the way guys, you can do this workout with extinction training or without extinction training. For without extinction training, you can look at the routine, you can look at the exercise in the description, or I'll just tell the you in the end. I'm going to stick with the description. Okay guys, so it's the Bulgarian squats. We're going to place our feet 3 yards away from the chair. If you're about my height, 5'4" or 5'6", then we're going to do a lunge. Be sure that your pants are up, because then they're going to either get torn or you know what's going to happen. Okay guys, so we're going to do a Bulgarian squat. Bulgarian. Okay guys, how Bulgarian lunges. Okay guys, 10 reps per leg, right? And then we rest for 10 seconds in between if you're doing extinction training. The next exercise will be a 30-second rest. So guys, we are going to take a rest. You can use this time to like, subscribe and share guys. Come on. Do this, or else we have banned up for 40 years. Come on guys. Wait for it. 10 seconds to go guys. You can relax, walk around and shake your legs to get the blood back around and proper circulation. And then we are going to do the squat walk in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So guys, it's just like a simple squat, but we are going to walk. This is going to be for 30 seconds and as many sets as you can do. And for the advanced guys, you can do this. You can skip more explosiveness in your legs. Guys, this is then the next exercise will be the squat hold. You can even do this on a wall. Suppose you want to add it, you can go on a wall, then you can squat. We show that your shoulders are also lined and your back is on a straight level with the wall. We are going to hold this for 30 seconds. Be sure that there are no hands on your thighs because that's going to help you cheat. Just giving it that view. Okay guys, we're going to do this for 30 seconds and I'm going to do it with you. Keep fighting guys. When you're thinking about giving up, think about why you started. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, we are done with the workout. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. Stay fit, stay home guys. See you in the next video.